8th graders, how are you? Hope you're all doing well. In this class, you need to bring your student's book, your activity book, and your pencil case. As you know, in this class we will do listening exercise in student's book, page number 17, and some exercises in activity book, page number 13. But at the beginning, we will start with the listening exercise تمرين الاستماع. So, open your student's book, page number 17, please. Open your student's book, page number 17, please. This is the listening exercise. Let's read exercise number 5. Listen and fill in the blanks. Then, listen again and check your answers. You need to listen carefully to this text in order to be able to fill in the blanks. But don't worry if you don't know all the answers. You will listen again and check your answers. Are you ready, guys, to listen? Okay, let's listen. An exceptional poet. Poetry and writing are two important parts of Jordan's culture. Arar is one of the Jordan's most admired poets. He was born in Odet in 1899. His life was exceptional because of the way he expressed his patriotism. Arar's poetry was also distinctive. He used the language of the people to discuss their concerns, but also included classical Arabic sayings. Among his achievements are famous poems like Surah of You and Wish of the Wisher, which are still loved by many people. Arar also practiced law and supported the poor. He died in 1949, but continues to be remembered today. Odet has an annual poetry festival with a prize named after him. Many Jordanian and Arab poets compete to win the Odet Literary Award. Okay, guys, now listen again and check your answers. An exceptional poet. Poetry and writing are two important parts of Jordan's culture. Arar is one of the Jordan's most admired poets. He was born in Odet in 1899. His life was exceptional because of the way he expressed his patriotism. Arar's poetry was also distinctive. He used the language of the people to discuss their concerns, but also included the classical Arabic sayings. Among his achievements are famous poems like Surah of Youth and Wish of the Wisher, which are still loved by many people. Arar also practiced law and supported the poor. He died in 1949 but continues to be remembered today. Odet has an annual poetry festival with a prize named after him. Many Jordanian and Arab poets compete to win the Odet Literary Award. These are the answers. Number 1, admired. Number 2, exceptional. Number 3, distinctive. Number 4, achievements. Number 5, supported. And the last one, number 6, is compete. If you finish, we can see now the exercises in activity book, page number 13. Open your activity book, page number 13, please. Open your activity book, page number 13, please. As you see here, this is exercise number 5. We write this paragraph by the correct form of the verbs and brackets. Some verb forms might stay the same. Before we see this paragraph, look at this picture, please. Look here. This one is a volunteer. What's the meaning of volunteer? Volunteer, which means متطوع. She is holding a donation box. هي حاملة إيش؟ Donation box. What's the meaning of donation box? صندوق التبرعات. Okay, guys. Now, this exercise asks us to look at the verb in brackets like be, gather, currently provide, hold, go, help, unload. Then you need to use these words in the correct form. تستخدم هاي الأفعال الموجودة in brackets بين أقواس بشكلها الصحيح. You will use the present simple or the present continuous. Okay, guys, let's start. We here to see how things work at JHCO. JHCO بإمكانك تقرأها like this لأنه هون عنا اختصار ل Jordan Hashemite Charity Organization، الهيئة الأردنية الخيرية الهاشمية. Okay. What do you think of B? Let's remember together what are the forms of be. إيش أشكال البي؟ am, is, or are in the present. The subject here is we. We as plural. So, the correct form of this verb is are. Okay. Let's continue. People of different nationalities gather here today. Do you remember? What do you think? Something that is happening for a certain period of time. So, the correct form of this verb is are gathering. Okay. Samia Ramadan, for example, is one of the many Jordanian doctors who the verb as currently provide. Currently, if you remember, is an adverb. It's a keyword of the present continuous. So the answer is are currently providing. This adverb هذا الظرف currently اللي هو keyword دليل على present continuous بيجي at the middle between or, is, or am and between the verb with the ing. So the answer is are currently providing. Let's continue. The girl who holds a box is Jenny. This girl who is holding. So the answer is holding. The subject here is the girl. The girl is singular. Pay attention, guys. So the answer is holding. Who to medical school? What do you think? This thing repeats regularly, or this is situation or state. وضع أو حال. What do you think? Of course, present simple. Who go or goes? Who goes? Because the subject is singular. This verb ends with O, so that we add ES, not S. Okay? Let's continue. She usually. Do you remember usually? This is adverb of frequency. So, this word, this adverb, usually, is a keyword of the present simple. The subject tree is singular, so the correct form of the verb help is helps. Okay. Let's continue. She usually helps Dr. Ramadan, but today she unloaded truck along with other volunteers. What do you think of unload? The answer is unloading. Excellent, guys. The subject tree is singular, so we use here is plus the verb with ing unload. صارت عندي unloading. Okay, guys. These are the correct form of the verbs, guys. هاي أشكال الأفعال الصحيحة بهاي الباراجراف اللي هنا. But if you see here, this exercise asks us to rewrite. أعد كتابة الفقرة. Rewrite this paragraph. So أنا أعطيتك أشكال الأفعال الصحيحة كشرح وتوضيح. But you need to rewrite this paragraph. أنت المطلوب منك تعيد كتابة this paragraph كاملة مع الشكل الصحيح للأفعال اللي معنا. So, your answer must be like this in your activity book. Please, guys, look at these answers again and check your answers. If you finish, let's continue. Exercise number 6 and 7, we will do this puzzle. Look, with the clues 1 to 6. So, these are the clues. Write the words horizontally on the puzzle. لغز. This puzzle is for you. هذا اللغز أكيد لإلك. So, firstly, try to do exercise 6 and 7 because this puzzle is for you. هذا اللغز لإلك. So, try to do it. حاول إنك أنت تعمله. You need to read these clues and look at the first letter of each word to help you. Then you can see the answers here and track your answers. Exercise number 6, the answers are 1. Treatment, 2. Poverty, 3. Record, 4. Explorer, 5. Skill, and the last one, number 6, remain. Exercise number 7 واللي هو أكيد referring to exercise number 6 ask us to read vertically the word for number 7. Here. What is this word, guys? Let's read it together. Work, or hard working. Yes, of course. The word here is hard working. So, the word is hard working. شو طالب مني exercise number 7؟ طالب مني read vertically the word for number 7 اللي هي hard working. Then it asks us to write its clue. طالب مني أنا أكتب clue for this word اللي هي hard working. This is an example answer. Putting a great effort into work. Effort, جهد. Okay, guys. You are amazing. Well done. That's all for today, guys. Thank you so much. See you.